Ito sa labas. Ganito ang labas ng Matilda House. Hi everyone. Pupunta daw kami sa haunted house dito sa condo ng brother ni Lola. May haunted house na dito. So, bumaba kami sa kanilang condo. Punta kami dito. Oh, ito may swimming pool dito. Lapad ng swimming pool niya. Kanyang condo. Hi, Papa! Hi, Papa! Oh, Shangni! Hi! Oh, ito. Okay. Ito na daw ang haunted house. Yeah, clubhouse, haunted house.
Yes, the clubhouse of this area.
Clubhouse and haunted house. Function room. Yeah, the ghost is playing there. And here we are. Oh. Oh.
Step so low.
Right. It's good for you. Right?
The building very low, so
Careful, ah. Okay, another steps. Okay, here we are. A treasure. No. Sweat. Matilda House. Matilda House. The building was rolling single story. Huh. Kena. Kena. Ito yung history. Move around here, move around. Oh, it's quite big, right? Huh? Reading room. This one is reading room. No food, no beverage, no observation. Ito na sa labas. Ayan, dito naman kami sa kabilang side. Tapos kami din sa kabilang side. Ito yung kanilang function room. Dalawa ay function room. Ito pangalawa. Ito naman yung kanilang lunch room. Large room. Oh, this function 2 and this one is function 3. Oh, another swimming pool. May barbecue. Oh. Ito sa labas na ito labas. Yung Matilda House. Na haunted house daw. Yung swimming pool.